You learn something new every day, and you're not gonna believe this one. Do you have a couple extra slices of pizza? Well, you could take that pizza and you can turn it into a pizza bread pudding. No lie, I'll show you how to do it. Cut 3 slices into 1.5-inch cubes. And I'm pouring those in the bottom of an 11x7 baking dish. In a bowl, we need 4 eggs, a cup of milk, a 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a little garlic salt, some black pepper, and then whisk it together. Pour that over. I'm adding a small can of block olives, a little chopped pepperocinis, and about a 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan. I'm going to mix this all together and make sure that crust is well coated. I'm going to cover that up with some plastic wrap. Then I'm just going to let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes to make sure it's all soaked in. Take that plastic wrap off, and now it's time to cook it in the oven. I'm going to cook it at 350 for about 30 minutes. There it is. This is going to be fun. Leftover pizza bread pudding. Gotta know. I just gotta know. It's wonderful. It tastes exactly like the pizza that I ate yesterday, and it's like a bread pudding. I don't know if it's breakfast. I don't know if it's dinner. All I know is it's good. I saw a man at the supermarket. He bought out all the clams and shrimp and lobster, and he didn't leave anything for anybody. What a shellfish man.